Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, it's another edition of Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? But before we get started, as always, make sure to hit that like button down below if you enjoy this series, as well as don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. So, you may be asking, what palette will you be duping today, Rhonda? Well, let me tell you guys, we are going to be testing out the new Bad Habit palette called After Dark. If it looks familiar to you guys, is it because it looks like this? You guys probably already know. But this is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette. There we go. Of course, we're going to do our side-by-side type of look. There you go. I mean, really? Let me just tell you guys the prices. This bad boy right here is only $10. Or you can receive all four of the potential dupes for the Huda minis for $30. Now, I will tell you, at the time that I am filming this video, I know that this set is completely sold out. However, most of them are available for singles, which retail for $10 on the SHOPHUSH app. As always, I'm not sponsored, affiliated, or do I get a kickback? Absolutely not. Nothing like that. You guys know I would tell y'all if for some reason I happen to get sponsored or I get an affiliate link. So anyways, with that being said, this little thing right here is $10 by itself. This little thing right here is $27 by itself. As always, take a wild guess. Which side is the more expensive side? Which side is the potential dupe side? Take a wild guess, but no cheating. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so y'all know the drill. One side of my face will be with the Bad Habit palette, the other side with the Huda Beauty palette. I will be using the exact same brushes, however, cleaning them in between before I apply them to my face. Okay, so I'm going to hop off and do my liner and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my liner and my lashes on. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you all in so you can see the final look. Okay guys, so as you know, this is a judgment-free channel, so there is no judging the blending skills or lack thereof. And for those of you who leave the sweet comments telling me that my blending skills are not as bad as I think, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Okay, so once again, this is the Bad Habits After Dark side. And this is the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession side. Guys, once again, I think they look pretty identical. Like, pretty identical. I'm looking in my mirror, I look over at my monitor. You know, I have some thoughts, and so we're going to go ahead. I'm going to zoom you guys out, show you all the swatches, and then we're going to chit-chat about this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into the swatches first, and then we'll talk about the actual palettes and my whole, you know, thoughts and opinions on it. When I zoom you guys in, all of the Bad Habit shadows are on the bottom, and all of the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession shadows are on top. So like I said, we're going to zoom in and we are going to take a closer look. Okay, so like I said, on top are all of the Huda Beauty shadows. On the bottom are all of the Bad Habit After Dark shadows. Now, you can tell there are some differences in some of the shades, like this one, and I made a point of using this one. This is called Marlowe in the Bad Habit formula. Now, you can tell that it's more of like a brownish type of, you know, plum undertone, where this one is more of like a red burgundy undertone. This color up here, I made sure to use those colors as well. They are a little off, but again, once applied to the eye, there is not like a huge difference whatsoever. I wanted to show you guys, look at how pigmented this shade is in the Bad Habit compared to in the Huda Beauty. I mean, some of these darker shades like this one and this one are just so much creamier, richer, bolder, and just swatch really well. And I have to say, you know, they wore really well on the eye as well, or the application process was very, very good as far as, you know, the Bad Habit side. Okay, so as far as the quality goes, you guys saw it firsthand. This was an amazing palette. I think that it worked just as well, if not better, than the Huda palette. Honestly, was I surprised about it? No, because as you guys may have seen some of my other videos, like the Athena palette, the Aphrodite palette, that those were dupes for the Huda Rose Gold and the Huda Desert Dust palette. Those two palettes from SHOPHUSH worked amazing. So I was very, very excited to try these out. I will tell you guys, I thought that the application process was easy. It blended out perfectly without muddying up. There was quite a bit of kick up in it, but as you guys know, if you guys have seen some of my other videos, kick up doesn't bother me as long as I can build up the shade and I can blend it out without it muddying up and things like that. I think it's a great eyeshadow. So as far as this goes, I think it was great. I think that the performance of these shadows are really good. They're very, very pigmented, like all Bad Habit palettes that I tell you guys. They're great. They're great. The thing that I love about their formula is it's like a creamy, rich formula. Yes, you're going to get a lot of kick up in there, but man, guys, I mean, you see how well they blend out, and it didn't get patchy on me. If anything, I feel like my Huda side was actually a bit more on the patchy side than on the Bad Habit side. So 100%, this is definitely Hot Mess Mom approved. Like I said, I'm not going to lie to you guys, there is some kick up and things like that, but I didn't experience any fallout. And as you guys saw, I had my makeup on, my face makeup on already. But this is a great palette. The quality is great. Like I said, it retails alone for $10 on SHOPHUSH.com. As you guys know, I'm not sponsored, affiliated. Do I get a kickback? Absolutely not. I pay for all of these palettes that I do for you guys 100% out of my own pocket. So anyways, with that being said, I definitely say this is a great dupe for the Huda Warm Brown Obsession palette. As far as the size goes, there is 0.32 ounces and a total gram weight of 8.9 grams. And on the Huda palette, there is 10 grams total, and it is 0.35 ounces per each little pan. So again, as far as the packaging goes, the packaging is more of a cardboard, just like the Huda. There is also a mirror in it, just like in the Huda palette. And again, the Huda palette does retail for $27. This by itself is only $10 at SHOPHUSH.com. I will tell you guys, you can get all 4 of the Bad Habit dupes for the mini Huda palettes. You can get all 4 of them for $30 on the SHOPHUSH app. So something you may want to check out. Last time I checked, I know they all 4 together bundle for $30 was sold out. I'm not 100% if it is still sold out, but I know most of the palettes by themselves for $10 was still available, which is still a fabulous deal because, like I said, this is $27. Now, even though you do get a couple more, you know, ounce or a gram or whatever in it, I still prefer the Bad Habit formula. That's just me, but that's what I prefer. So anyways, this is 100% Hot Mess Mom approved. So hey guys, just gonna do a quick check-in for you guys. It's probably kind of echoey in here because I am in my bathroom, but I just wanted to show you an end of the day type of check-in. So let's ignore the fact that I have not powdered my face all day long. But what we're going to focus on is the eyes, not the foundation. So anyways, as you can see that they both lasted throughout the day. They didn't, you know, fade away, wear off, or anything like that. The thing about the Bad Habits formula is it's just amazing formula. I know some of you guys asked if when I'm doing my dupe videos, if I could do a little check-in throughout the day or something, or at the end of the day, to let you all know how the eyeshadow actually wore on the eyes. And you guys, you see it here for yourself. It is the end of the day. I am cooking dinner, and of course then I'm gonna go take a nice relaxing bath and start the whole day over again tomorrow. So as you can see, the longevity is 100% there. The Bad Habits formula is amazing. I highly recommend you check out these palettes on SHOPHUSH. So anyways, I hope you guys found it helpful. Now for today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, as always, please make sure to hit the like button down below, as well as that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, or you can even click on my face whenever that gets ready to pop up and be subscribed to my channel. So anyways, as always y'all, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!